Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to share the contact information on your iPhone. At first you have to go straight to the phone application and tap on the contact you want to share. Here, scroll down and tap Share Contact. Here you can select the fields you want to share, which is the first name and mobile. If you have here, for example, some descriptions, second name, middle name, or something like that, you can select that or unselect that. Then tap this tick icon, and now as you can see, you can share it through the messages, through the AirDrop, etc. as you can see, or save to files, everything that you just want to. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on this video. It's really important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.